Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're making hot chocolate just the way the French make it. It's unbelievably good and it's just so easy in the Cook Expert. So we're going to start by just chopping down our chocolate, and this is 70% dark chocolate, and I've just set our Cook Expert on Expert for 30 seconds on 15. So I'm going to just turn that on for 30 seconds. Coming down, looking really good. There you go. Now that was really simple, and I'll show it to you. It's really taken that chocolate right down. Look at that. It's just beautiful how it just grates it so easily. So now we've done that, we put everything else in. So there's some sugar that goes into that, some cream and milk. Okay, so there's your milk and cream. Okay. I'll talk you through the ingredients in a moment. We'll just get it cooking. So now we're on Expert, and we're going to put it in for 6 minutes. So let's go across to, whoops, where are we? 6 minutes. Oops, skips very quickly. 6 minutes. Okay, on 3. So take it down to 3. So the spinning of the universal blade is 3, or the universal tool, and we're going to put it on 90 degrees. So take that down to 90. There it goes, 90 degrees, and it's on. Okay, so that's while that cooks away there. Now, hot chocolate is just so lovely on a cold, rainy night or just any old time, and it's really super easy. Now, normally what you'd need to do is to actually have a pot with water in it and another pot to melt the chocolate, and it makes a big mess. It takes a bit of time, then you've got to make sure you're stirring it. So it's a real to-do. We're here, we just throw it all in, and the Cook Expert does it for you, and it makes it beautifully, blends it smoothly, and all the rest of it. Now the recipe is here. Okay, it's in your book. Okay, it's in the cookbook that came with the food processor. So with the Cook Expert, and it's on page 346. Okay, 346, here it is. The other thing is that I have my Cook Expert always sitting on my bench. It never goes away. It's a part of my decor. It looks fantastic. People walk in and go, "Oh my God, you've got a Magimix Cook Expert." I said, "Yes, I do." You bet I do. And so it stays there, and therefore then I use it. The one thing you do not want to do is put your Cook Expert away and bring it out every time. That's not how, you just won't use it. So if you want to use your Cook Expert to the fullest and using all of the programs, then I strongly suggest you leave it on the bench somewhere where you can just quickly use it, not too far from the sink so that you can wash everything, pop it up, and it's easy to wash and clean. Let's see how our program's going. Okay, another minute. Woo. Let's see how it's looking. Oh, it's looking very good. That closed. Okay, and this also gives me the opportunity to bring out my hug mugs. I love my hug mug. So it's a lovely hug mug, but any kind of nice rounded hug mug is good that you can actually hug around. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, here it is. Look at that. Look at that beautiful hot chocolate. Watch it pour. Wow. Okay. Look at it. You see how amazingly smooth it is. It's just amazing. And I haven't had to scrape the sides. I haven't had to do anything. And, you know, as I said, you can make 10 just like that. That easy. And look how smooth, that lovely dark chocolate. And let me see what it tastes like. Oh my goodness. I think I've died and gone to heaven. Oh, wow. Okay, I encourage you all to give it a go. Make a beautiful French chocolat. Okay, see you later. Enjoy.